Thank you very much. International Education Development, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Mr. President. International Educational Development and the Association of Humanitarian Lawyers continue to be very preoccupied by the situation of the Hmong peoples in the Lao People's Democratic Republic. We note the rights of reply of the Lao government in response to a number of our prior statements, and we stress that the Hmong people do not enjoy the rights indicated. Rather, the Hmong continue to be persecuted in the extreme. We have submitted urgent actions under the mandate of the United Nations Special Advisor on the Prevention of Genocide and Mass Atrocities, and we anticipate he will undertake action. We have also raised the issue with many rapporteurs and members of the Council and again stressed that the acts of the Laotian authorities constitute the crime of extermination under the statute of the International Criminal Court. We continue to stress the need for a UN-established safe haven for the Hmong in their traditional territory as the government continues its intention of wiping them out by all possible means. Such a safe haven would allow communication between Hmong and their supporters and those who would aid them. While an unusual remedy, there is nothing in the UN system that would counter it. The situation of the Hmong people invokes nearly all mandate holders of the Council and special advisors to the Secretary General, and we recommend that the Council appoint a special rapporteur on Laos. Thank you, Mr. President.
All right, thank you very much. Next on my list is Laos.
Mr. President, my delegation would like to exercise the right to reply in response to an NGO statement to once again trying to misleading the Council of its groundless allegation and fabrication evidence made against my country. Mr. President, the Lao PDL wishes to explain once more that there are no genocide or any kind of mass atrocity against any ethnic group in our country. Such as allegation made by this NGO is hypocritical, as the Lao PDL continue to progressing and improving in all sectors from the contribution of all 49 ethnic groups, that is the Lao people, in which the Hmong is included. Furthermore, the Lao government pursues the policy of solidarity and equality amongst all ethnic groups consistently on the basis of national unity. Every ethnic group have equal rights under the law, with right to protection and promotion of their respective tradition and cultures. The government implements all measures necessary to improve and raise the development level, aims at poverty reduction of all ethnic, especially the ethnic groups with small number of populations. Mr. President, to demonstrate that all ethnic groups are given equal rights and opportunity in the Lao PDR, there is numerous high level of officials of Hmong people in the government sector, which led by the President of the National Assembly, whom herself is Hmong's descent, and among other in ministerial level in all sectors of the government. In addition, there are also many well-established entrepreneurs in the private sector across the country. Mr. President, the situation in the Hmong people live in the Phubia area raised by the concerned NGO is to put out a story to intentionally deceive everyone as it is absurd and false. We again would like to express this to the concerned organization and would like to reiterate once more that there is no discrimination, as every Lao citizen has equal rights before the law. In conclusion, Mr. President, to prevent any misleading in the Council, my delegation would strongly urge the concerned NGO should abstaining and stop embarrassing itself any longer by taking the valuable time of the Council by using the coded information from unreliable source. I thank you, Mr. President.
内容领导呢和 human rights process 嘛，好啊 UN process 那嘛，UN process 都叫话 human rights issue， 一到 UN 那么都有 issue， 都问题都是嘛，被嘛被查啊，你被考试呢，被考嘛有 human rights issue， 被考嘛有人落完了，话你被考 rights 呢，话你被作ใจ被作结婚呢，这被母者被考试啊，落里头嘛。 要理呀，这边有其他路呀，被查被考，这边考那这走路有一样，这边考这边母的，你叫被母叫你叫给我， 被抓在末，而且呢，这个边搞 Human Rights Council，搞 Human Rights Council 我都透露过中间，冇到好，这边冇到查到好，这个被我被这弄到这大了，哎，唔到多啊，也见到，成鸟被弄到唔到去干，如果这里 Human Rights Council。做 key decision 贴来些的落这些先法师来到去干了噻，那给了Human Rights Council 嘛里啊，有运动的3倍中标呢，这么多少那腾起2，腾起1节和 Human Rights Council 这边的嘛3倍么多腾起2节啊，么贝鲁 department 了，什么 General Assembly， 么做 Secretary General 为做特后 UN 家，那路 department。然后么 News Department 和 Security Council Department 的，我了记录对这个说这干的对人家多少，这么贝鲁 Department 的老人家多少，贝鲁 Department 的老呢来嘛的么，老天风 case 我和 Human Rights Council 呢 make decision 来到去干的，到去到现在来嘛么好的叫 case 呢叫了么医生啦，我叫了修啊，那要不要加？在下 Human Rights Council 和这几新疆到这需要我，那要那什么那些囤包，那些我们可能叫了一边有说叫路说，本说大，要这落去学的，都这进到需要的，这落三周的work court 嘛，我 final 都到，那哎呀这落说好啊 ，Human Rights 好，Human Rights Council 呢，我这大三么到也不知道是。你那不是跟用色，那这了贝鲁 department 说了么事呢？贝鲁 department 那么了么让呀？这了了没 decision 的，那 decision 要你家，你被动的谈的，了没 decision 这了那 take 个叫 credential away， 那个 credential away 那也让你家，一下到我那UN take 我那本包了 credential away， 也本包了，因为这前年了么。我了这些看明了，我了他办个好的是嘛了多那中理啊，但是呢老列多那些，到了这本了叫自然社会嘅，因为家那个那都知，给了大家都变成了么，晒到了个满些，给了这些看明这种领导了，这里啊那线路了就是都在大家都了了，给背了呀，这蹦说的话头啊这。好那 Human Rights Council 那落去把去改革那这些那把去我这啥多少贝鲁 department 说这了保证了榴弹了那么子呢这了这个好可以说为这找在多变成的好了塞把塞我那看到了个满区塞给叫区所以说家伙变成也都没事了不行变成了塞了这崩里我都就来头准了去被叫上大那被其他北面说的莫像那个弄都了也这要有人这几年到时间了那到几个真的那有家都了也这要这个要有人这几年到时个这个就是那个是 military force 就是有人杀都好杀了我都是这我头脑这我แล้ว要出招了就被选择了塞加多，他在那个板切，你那塞加多，这给叫那叫多切，这叫我看到了他板库呢，接触招证明了，这个搞是保证的呢，直接进来了，啥的我过应这题目领导家，我过那么了腾背腾高些，那这个。我手里家了，这家了说我腾以后呢，这些手里家了，希望腾这手里家了，希望腾背这个发走，要将把鸟将那手机高路起还也了，那这样呢，这里是谈那个不谈个不都那样，都了有一些谈的到肉，都了这还这家有那的有容易家，就都了这I don't think the long government are stupid，which is out there 了管到多。和 Human Rights Council 那样的 Human Rights Council 接起中老天风大了老有希望，那是蛮老有希望 I don't think so。老人要好了接起了，这老人去多呢，老人可以话， 到这了希望呢，也少说了以后到这门老上的，那，所以包的人家都说平安了，还也到这门老着呢，我那路都结束了，这个经济没少，到这那家对门呢门通了，这家来谈了，这 evidence 呢到通了，点说没说了，我因什么谈见的呢？按照做做差不多经济没少，讲到是到这门老上。那以后那路这几件那可以我是，但现在我现在要地头，个内啥，你知道吗？路内，就那因为我看所有在那家朋友都啥的，路金用了路头今年都啥的，就路有了要弄掉了那门背啥，也背着背啥，也背着俺们他们那样，你知道吗？路背，也背着孬背起啥呢？ตัวเป็นตัวโปรเจกต์ลุชงนั่นแหละเรายิ่งตัวแบบชี包的被人能力ตัวเป็นเชื่อ是นู่นเราไปตัวโปรนำเราไปชิมจ้ะคราวนี้มันสอดใจกันอย่างจะละตูตรงเราจะไปนะจะไปชิวชาไปชิวรู้เกี่ยอยู่เอ็นโปรที่อยู่ในจ้ะใช้คำเชื่อตัวนี้น้องยังก็ให้เศร้ายังก็ชิกาก็ชิตัวจะอยู่เอ็นตัวซะอยู่เอ็นตัวท่านกันซะลองดิสตอรี่เราชิตัวนี้ไม่ใช่น้ำเราตัวชิยูเอ็นซาตานเลยซึ่งเกี่ยน่าจะดีจ้าละมึงนี่น่าแต่เขาเพียบเป็นพอสิจังนี่น่าตัวเราอย่างตาลูนี่น่าตัวไปเลยเกี่ยนี่เกี่ยเสียเกี่ยต้อง我护士的ก็是的啦มุมกี่ตรงเตชีเขาอีอยากได้ตัวนี่น่าไปถึง要我母ใช้ตัวลิมงไฮ就长度底物了，要老那底物了，要长度底那了，要老那底那呢。都些我们些硬的呢，中高的呢，你需要的呢，包还得也必须要我们做好这些应了是，那这应这些这有时的这个第二，这一切这是的保证的呢，去当照不要他都做，去保证之后呢，叫 process 那是让这。专门上一条到塔这个啥的哦，又到可能些这个老友这来，doctor 这来，这也好要这哦，我叫到那里包塔里那，叫我们做人家做一杯打那，今天大家都送晒股这咯，送晒这都老友这咯，不要，我这次我的一天还要假老友大有这咯，我大姑这还会叫路这老友大家呢，像弄的被多的钱呢，就不买的。那体温被多的在那老有他这点了，被门人被红了在那是被说在路家被这包打呢，这些人呢这，好那也好被么给这些还这个地好那么也叫 process， 那到 UN 还做新闻 rights 还做 fake case 呢这样做做梦，这人呢这做了有梦。我就对门個做風就能做飛個，所以就飛一做做飛可能是飛是當間冇包辦的大家嚟到落地嚟，我哋嗱飛是當間包咗就嗱飛係就好 human right 落做飛，那就飛到家就飛多了地就飛冇領導，是啊，家有個印度嘛能到但是啊，依家啲人呢就本來有啲人能到但是啊，啲是各種包藥對就做咗嘢，冇可能叫了孩子，你呢蒙都是只飛多了地啦呢，這個地，飛我了希望真係。这个也必须要是，需要也用中高也蒙到蒙日子的，哎呀，必须要被你外年前蒙对日子了知道了呢，对日子帮经验呢，那是啦，找他那这个的。